So this graph is a linear inequality, and really all we're trying to do here is figure out which line describes, or which inequality describes this line. So a line can be shown by f of x equals mx plus b. Of course, this is going to be an inequality, so it's not going to have the equal symbol. We'll deal with that in a moment, but the first thing we need to do is figure out what is mx plus b. Well, you can see here that it touches 0, 0 right there, so we know both the x and the y intercepts are going to be 0, which means b will be 0. So it's just going to be mx. And we can see what m is by going from this point and going down 2 over 1. That gets us back onto the line, so we know this slope has a rise of -2 and a run of 1. Or in other words, just -2. So the line is going to look something like this. Y equals -2x. Now all you got to do is figure out, is it less than or equal to, greater than or greater than or equal to? Well, first off, we have a solid line here. This solid line means that it's going to have an equal to symbol in it. And now we just need to figure out, is it less than or greater than? For that, you can just test a point, right? If we're going to do something like this, we can test a point. Let's say the point, this one right here, -1, 0. So -1, 0 would just be plugged in for the x and the y. And we're asking, is this true? So -1, 0, this is going to give us 2. 0 is greater than or equal to 2. That's a false statement. So we know that that's not the correct. So we know that this should not be shaded, and it's not shaded here. So we want actually this side to be shaded. So we know that this is the actual correct answer. If we test the point that is shaded, like for instance 0, 2 here, plug 0, 2 in here, we get 2 and 0. This gives us 2 greater than or equal to 0. That's a true statement. And this is the same thing. Let's just go ahead and move it over. We get 2x plus y greater than or equal to 0. That's going to be C. Or no, not C, D here.